This past summer was hottest on record in the Arctic, which is warming almost 4 times faster than anywhere else on planet. And the signs of this warming have revealed a region that is rapidly changing and, in many ways, little like it used to be. ArrowRight Key data points show the Arctic continues to get less icy, wetter and greener. According to a report card released Tuesday by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, trends, all linked to a warming climate, have been observed for decades. And they showed up dramatically this summer. Out-of-control wildfires forced entire communities to evacuate. A river has overflowed its banks into homes due to dramatic glacier thinning. Near top of the Greenland ice sheet, 3,000 feet above sea level, temperatures rose above freezing for only 5th time on record. Even amid rapid change, variability weather conditions meant that several parts Arctic still exhibited some cold norms past. For example, sea ice persisted in East Siberian Sea through much of the summer. And a colder than usual spring slowed melting of sea ice and snowpack in Alaska. But report, prepared by 82 authors from 13 countries, makes clear that Arctic continues to change, with last 17 years creating 17th smallest annual sea ice extent in 45-year satellite record. This year, amid warmest summer temperatures ever recorded in the Arctic and 6th-warmest summer temperatures, sea ice cover ranks 6th smallest. Last year's extreme weather climate events in Arctic and elsewhere led to the overwhelming impacts of climate change on people ecosystems. Report said. The report documented changes observed by scientists and indigenous communities, occurring in dramatic ways, some predictable, some counterintuitive. Ships will be able to move freely. The Northwest Passage, which allows ships to pass between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans via the Canadian archipelago, was relatively ice-free in late August. The amount of ice along the pass was among the lowest levels ever observed via satellite. The Northern Sea Route, which runs along Russia's northern coast, was slower to open to ships but opened in late August. The Northwest Passage has long been an object of fascination as a way to significantly reduce shipping distances and costs, especially since 2007, when the dramatic meltdown first turned it on. Recent research has revealed that year brought a dramatic decline in Arctic ice, marking a fundamental and irreversible change. Salmon populations near record lows and highs. Chinook and chum salmon populations western Alaska were well below average in 2023, although they rebounded slightly from a record low 2022. Abnormal and persistent summer heat across Canada has seen waterways such as the Yukon River become too warm for a cold-water species. Sockeye salmon, on other hand, set a record high abundance in southwest Alaska's Bristol Bay in 2022, the most recent year for which data were available for report. The warming climate may